Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial series where I will teach you the basics of Blender. So, first of all, just go to blender.org and then to download the software, click on Download Blender and download Blender 3.0. This is the current version, but it may be different depending on when you see this tutorial. If you want to download another version, then you can click on that, and I usually download the portable version. Once it is downloaded, just unzip it up anywhere you want. I'm just gonna unzip it on my desktop. Now that it's done, just open the folder and launch Blender. When you will first open Blender, this window will pop up. Just click outside, up, like this, and this is what you got. Now, I'm gonna teach you things one by one. So first of all, let's start configuring the software. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then in the System tab, you can configure your render devices. So, use CUDA if you got an NVIDIA card. OptiX is when they got RTX enabled, and HIP is for AMD cards. So I'm gonna use CUDA. Now close the window, it will save automatically. And that's it for this first lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Next time we will dig a bit deeper into the software. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye.